To start off this makeup look, I'm pushing back my hair, and to make things quicker, I've already applied cushion foundation and concealer for a silky base. To mimic Nancy's dark straight eyebrows, I'm going to take an eyebrow pencil and outline the shape that I want, making the bottom line a little bit straighter than I usually would and feathering out and creating a soft gradient look. Since her eyebrows are a little bit darker than mine, I'm taking a darker brow powder and I'm applying it just to the tails of the eyebrows to create the same effect. To finish off the eyebrows, I'm going to use a spoolie to comb them out and then finish off with a brow gel and apply that to the brow hairs so they don't move and stay in place all day. Now moving on into the eyes, I'm going to be using a base. This is MAC's Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm going to apply that with my ring finger all over my lids or anywhere there's going to be eyeshadow. To achieve the eyeshadow look that Nancy was wearing in the I'm So Hot music video, I'm taking a warm tan color from my Modern Renaissance palette and just applying this all over my lid, and then taking a blender brush and softly feathering that out towards my crease. Now taking a cool taupe color, I'm going to apply this to the middle of my lid. I loved how the makeup artist used warm and cool tones to really accentuate Nancy's eyes, and I'm just going to place it towards the middle, and once again taking a blender brush and making sure that the two colors are blended. Taking that same taupe color, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my waterline to finish off this eyeshadow look. Moving on into eyeliner, Nancy didn't seem to have too thick of an eyeliner, so I'm using a charcoal gray liquid eyeliner to create a soft but defined look. I'm extending out the wing to create also a puppy eye look that's so popular with K-pop idols. Now, a K-pop idol's look wouldn't be complete without some glitter underneath the eyes, so I'm going to take a damp eyeshadow brush and pack this on to the inner part of my eyelids to bring attention to my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes to get it ready for mascara. And instead of using false lashes, I'm going to use 2 coats of my favorite mascara to make sure I have a lot of volume and length, and applying it to my lower lashes as well. Now moving on into contour, I'm going to use a bronzer shade that's only 2 or 3 shades darker than my actual skin tone, and use that to contour my nose to elongate it, and then finishing off by rounding out my nose by applying the bronzer towards the bottom of my nose, and then also using it on the perimeter of my face. K-pop idols don't seem to have too much bronzer, but they do love a good V-line, so this will help you achieve this look. To warm up the cheeks, I'm going to be using a coral cream blush to apply to the outer parts of my cheek, and then bringing it in by blending it with a beauty blender towards the middle of my cheek. Nancy seems to do this quite a bit on her stage to create the face shape that is ideal for her. For highlighter, I opted for a cream highlight because I find that it creates a more natural finish to your skin, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones as well as my nose and blending it out with my finger to create a natural dewy look to the skin. To finish off this entire makeup look, I'm going to be creating a red ombre lip using a red liquid lip tint and applying it towards the middle and blending it out with my fingers and repeating the process until I get the payoff that I want.